I'm at Lottemart District 7, Saigon. Let's explore this place for now. It's a big mall. Today is a weekday. Now it's about 4:30 p.m. But the crowd is coming in now. This is level 1. I'm at level 3. This is the top floor of the Lottemart District 7. There's a Kichi here. Kichi is a buffet restaurant with all those rotating sushi, and then just pick and take what you like. More restaurant in front is Sayaka Japanese restaurant, and then there's a ice sushi Japanese restaurant buffet as well. And here is a Lottemart Cinema, which one of the local brands is very famous for their good quality of seats and movie selection. And there's a popcorn counter and the drinks and the ticket counter. There's a Gogi House Korean BBQ restaurant. As it's still early, not many diners, but I can see them eating the BBQ, and then the waiter will help. I can hear the sizzling of the food there. Wow. Moving on, I see a Mary's Premium Buffet restaurant where there are over 20 types of sushi and sashimi. This is the front entrance. And next we have the Doki Korean tteokbokki buffet. It's actually a buffet, and then the price only 139,000 for adults and 69,000 for children. This is in Vietnam dong, so it's like less than $60 or $70 for adult. And in front we have Don Chicken. If you are a chicken lover, you'll certainly like this. And there's a meat and meat. It's also a good restaurant. Going now to level 2 by the escalator, I'm just curious and anxious to know what lies in front. I see a bookstore on the left side and a toy shop in front. The bookstore, the name is Fahasa. It's a famous local Vietnamese brand. There's not even books, there are actually other stuff like soft toys and other stuff like bags. And this is the main entrance of the Lottemart. And this way is the level 2, which also has a Lottemart. You can enter from level 1 or level 2, it's up to you. But then if you enter on level 2, you must know that there are no seafood or the fresh fruits inside. There's only like clothes. Oh, there's some interesting accessories here. And there's a shop called My Kingdom for the kids. There's some cute capybara soft toys here. The shop name is Mini Good. Then on the right side there's a Lottemart. If you come to Lottemart, it's best to come like on weekdays before 5 p.m. because after 5 p.m. the office crowd will come in, the working people will come in, and then you'll be crowded and take a long time for the cashier to make your payment. I mean, the Mini Cook has an advertisement from 39,000 dong. You get some stuff there. There's an arcade called Tiny Moni Fantasy with all these toy cars. Whoa. Another shop called Kids Zona for the kids, and then there's a Relax In-Style Porsche massage chair. And look at how many soft toys they have, so cute and adorable. Moving down to level 1, I see a Highlands Coffee right here, where customer can chit-chat, do their work over a cup of coffee or other drinks you can order. It's just not coffee alone, but you can order like the matcha tea and so on. And then right in front you see a Guardian Pharmacy. There's actually more shops in level 1. Skechers, sporting shoes, Himalaya, and I see Adidas on the left side. We love Adidas, don't we? Wow, look at the polo t-shirt, the bags and the shoes. Starbucks. Then there's a Starbucks coffee. And Lotia, which is a kind of fast food chain in Vietnam. They sell the chicken, soft drinks, french fries and more. And right here, there are more restaurants. Before that, there's a Crocs. Lots of shoes. And then a Japanese udon ramen restaurant, Kohaku. ice cream and candy. Kohaku once again, sashimi yakiniku from Japan. I love the layout of the restaurants. It's like you get some kind of privacy with there's yellow and orange lights. And then we are back to Lottemart on the level 1. And before that, there's another ice cream shop called Mini Melts. Wow. Also, they are like the men's shirts, luggages, wallets, shoes, belts. There's a fizzy food to test whether your feet is wide arch, narrow arch, or normal. Then there's a leather goods here, handbags, and leather shoes. Rosabella TNT store, we sell like portable fan, electronic stuff, cables. Then the women's clothes style, OLV, Manini, and so much more. I'm going to walk to the end of this level 2, and then from there on the right side there are some more shops that we are going to explore right now. Oh, it seems there's a little rain. Oh, there's a manhwa Taiwanese hot pot, Dodi juice, and this is what I mean, the street of some little restaurants with a colorful decoration on the top. There's some children's clothes here. KV, Gangnam Tanghulu. Baba Roti. There's some more men's clothes on the left side. Here there's a matcha, 5-star fried chicken, Misha ice cream. And the last stretch is a baby clothing, 59,000, 169,000. It's quite cute, and the price is really affordable, 59,000. There's like about slightly more in US $2, and there's other kind of stuff here. Photo thumb, where you can actually rent costumes for free and then take photos inside the cubicle. Hello, I found, guys, there's a smart locker. So you have heavy stuff, you can consider using locker. There's a small locker and a big locker right here. Small and the big one. Now I'll be walking the opposite direction back to Lottemart because I have some stuff to buy. But I do the video first because I think that's more important currently. If I buy the items first, I may forget about doing the video. So this is one thing. And outside there, opposite, there are some nice apartment. It's called the Sunrise City. And from here, you can take the slow-moving elevator to level 2 of Lottemart. Inside the lift of Lottemart, going down to level 1 now. Lots of advertisement. I'm now inside Lottemart, District 7. This is level 2. Let's have a walkthrough. This Lottemart is located in District 7. It's actually quite downtown in central Saigon. It's just like 15 minutes taxi from District 1, Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon. They sell almost everything you need in a home, from the mattress, bed, bolster, and even the toys for the kids. There are even motorcycle helmets here, yoga mats and weights. It seems that Lottemart right now is undergoing some kind of big event or something because they are packing the stuff. Oh, they sell some nice luggage here. Women's clothes and guys' clothes, as well as children's stuff. It's a very big hypermarket, so more, and this only level 2, there's level 1 also, so stay tuned. Level 1 will be some of the food, chill food, bread, drinks, and some other stuff. 199,000 for the men's shirt. Do you guys think it's okay? Drop me a comment. Have you ever visited this Lottemart? Men's clothes for 299,000. As well as some of the cloth similar kind of slippers and sandals. And this section with the ladies' clothes, the dresses, long dresses and short dresses, and the right side you have the babies' clothing. And then in front will be the the makeup zone. You know that Lottemart here, they sell the Vietnamese conical hats, souvenirs and stuff. Let's have a closer look. These are all like handmade. Wow. You can't imagine, other supermarket, they don't have this stuff. This is quite special here in Lottemart District 7, the Nam Saigon. It's really beautiful, all this, the Vietnam conical head. Look at this cute little bag here. It's so round. They also sell frying pans, the stuff, the mop. They sell these cute little low chairs where you can just sit. I have one sample here. Basically, just press down to open, and then after you are done with your work, you can just leave this handle up, and there you go. It's so lighter than an iPhone. Hair dryers, water kettles, there are so many choices, and even the induction cookers, air fryers from 749,000 onwards. The crowd is coming, guys, building up because the time now is like 10 minutes past 8 p.m. People go off work already. So look out for the new products. These are the 4X neck. Oh, they have this flavor, the corn, and then this one is a cheese one, and this one is a corn as well. Approaching the snack section. Right here, the choco pie. If you buy this, they give you one free snack here, biscuits. Try the Caro, it's good. I tried it. There are two flavors. This is the original one, and this is the one with the cheese. Basically, kind of like waffle, but we have the pork inside. And there's the instant noodle section as well. And look at that, it's so big. Ramen. They even sell the kind of like little sweets and the snacks here. The surprise, another special thing is there's a popular gift items. For example, the walnut. And lots of cashew, nuts. There are also the soft dried fruit, kiwi, mango. You guys know there's a coffee street right here. There are so many types of coffee and tea. I've never seen a few types of this coffee before. I've got the Golden Whistle, and this one is from Vietnam. By the way, if you enjoyed the video so far, give a like and subscribe. So there are more coffee right here. You can even taste it. Taking a long escalator down to level 1, where I see seafood section and more stuff. So let's check out. And actually Lottemart, they will deliver for a certain amount of money and above. I think it's 200,000 or 300,000 if I'm not wrong. But it's within a certain distance. I think within 5 kilometers, not too far. But then the distance from the Tanzania airport to the town area is about 6 kilometers. So I think that's reasonable, 5 kilometers. And by the way, there are some seafood here. They are fresh and alive. There I see the crabs, flower crabs, lobster, fish, red tilapia, and then the frozen section right here. So this is the vegetable section. They look really fresh, but maybe there are some pesticide added. Let's move forward and explore more. In front with the meat section already, and the eggs. Over here we are more crowd, larger crowd because there are promotion for the eggs and some other stuff. I see fruits in front like the durians, watermelon and more. Dragon fruits, mangoes and more. It's getting crowded now, a bit hard to walk. Basically, Lottemart is a supermarket. It's a big supermarket from Korea, but it has also many things that's special. Like I told you guys just now, I'm going to look for more special things. Okay, I think I found something special. There will be the food section. So there's sushi, sashimi, some pizza, Vietnamese food and noodles. They're really packaged like it's like so attractive, and the price went 45,000. That is like 13 or 12 US dollars. The pizzas. And they have these affordable rice meals with the egg, some kind of meat, and then it's only 49,000. If you want something easy and fast to eat, you can consider this onigiri with some kind of crab meat inside. You see the photo? 20,000, that is less than 1 US dollar, and then guess what? You actually can eat it, and after that you pay the cashier, it's okay. You can order your four noodles right here. In Vietnamese, call it pho. After you select the items you like at the cashier, then you can proceed to the sitting area just right in front. On the left side, there are even hand washing area. You might feel thirsty, so there's a drink section. It's just right conveniently located next to the food section. The orange is only 7,300. By the way, this is the trolley or cart section, or you can take the small one, green basket, or the red color with the extendable handle to pull along. You can also choose to sit at the corner here. It's more privacy. And this is the main cashier area. They accept the cash, credit card, debit card. There's a milk section. Alright guys, there's a big crowd in front. Supposedly there's some kind of promotion item, discounted item. I see over 20 people here for the fresh meat. Our grandmother's story are real. If you see a large crowd, there's something going on. Especially like in a supermarket, then you know there's a discount or good deal. The ATM to withdraw money is just outside the Lottemart. There are 3 of them to choose: HSBC, Minh Bank and Saigon Bank.